If you want to use voice access on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to open the settings. Here in settings, scroll down and then go to accessibility, and then you want to proceed to interaction and dexterity. In here, we should be able to find the voice access option. You can just tap on the switcher to turn it on, or you can tap on the option itself to find even some additional settings if needed. Like for example, the tutorial, we can also find voice command preferences, and so on. So if you turn it on, we have to tap on agree over here. You don't have to, well, it is recommended to use notifications for the app, to allow the app to use notifications, of course, but you probably don't have to do that really. We have these ways to allow you to activate the voice access, so you can tap on the voice access notification that you will find in the notification tray in order to turn it on. And you can also use the Gemini to say, hey Google out loud to activate voice access. You should say, hey Google, start voice access. And you can also activate the floating button that we have in here, and we can tap on done. We also have the tutorial that you can go through, but if you already know how to use voice access, then of course we can tap on this X in the upper left corner. So you can also just tap on the button, as I mentioned, in order to start using it. Here in this menu, we can find some example commands. So in this case, I can just tap over here and I'm gonna mention that I want to go to the home screen. Of course, we need to grant the permission to use the microphone. Go home. And there we go, we went to the home screen. And as you keep saying things out loud, of course, voice access will try to pick that up and it will try to detect a command for it. But of course, if you don't want it to listen to you anymore, you can go to notifications in order to find the voice access notification, so you can tap on it in order to pause it. Or you can just say, stop listening. And there we go, this works as well. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.